Hello everyone, we are a group of students from University of Manchester, we're group 10, and we'll be using this slideshow to present our UAV project. I'm Matthew, and my partner Hongjin will take over the slides later. So we noticed two situations in UK. So the first situation is the police officers in England and Wales has a decreasing trend in recruiting. And the second situation is the car park penalty tickets at record high in 2018. So linking up two situations, we might be thinking that police officers are currently experiencing a high workload in tackling illegal parking. So in order to help the police officers to tackle this problem, we propose our solution, which is our UAV. Our UAV is a multi-use monitoring UAV. The functions are live videoing, instant image transmission, and pin location, where pin location is mainly used for paramedics and firefighters to do some rescue mission. The pin location that can be, let's say, the UAV can estimate how serious the car accident is and arrange appropriate amount of paramedics and firefighters to the scene to help the citizens. So in order to fulfill these functions in our UAV, our camera can be mounted on this UAV, which capture high quality image and videos. And our aircraft is a high mobility and can travel in a suitable size, which can let the officers can take it wherever they want and launch it whenever they want. So in order to build this UAV, we firstly put some numbers in our spreadsheet. We plot thrust to weight ratio and wing loading, and we found that our aircraft is in an ideal place, which can size down our aircraft to around 1.5 meters in wingspan. After that, we put some numbers in our other spreadsheet too. Let's say is NACA 2412 as an airfoil. So we found that our 3D wing in lift and drag were quite ideal. So we were trying to put H-broom design in our UAV, which our spreadsheet shown is successful, and the H-broom UAV has a multiple advantage, which are the structural and storage problem. And then we can estimate how many components we want in our UAV, such as batteries and GPS and camera. So after we get the components masked, we can find the CG location. The CG location was very ideal, and we decided to move on to manufacturing part. So I'll be passing the remaining slides to my partner Hongjin.
So, the group has divided into three different subteams: CAD drawing, manufacturing, and the control system team. The CAD drawing was handled by a single member. After he created the 3D model, some of the aircraft parts were submitted to the technician to manufacture by using laser and hot wire coating. Then, the manufacturer team took over and built the prototype of the aircraft. In the meantime, the control system team started to work on the onboard system, including installation of the control surfaces. Now, we move on to the reflection part. As the table shown, different material for each part were tested throughout the whole project, and we concluded each aircraft part should be using a specific material to build with. For wing, we tested that the wing weighs 80 grams in blue foam and 120 grams for foam board, because foam board needs to build a rib structure, so there's extra weight expected. For fuselage, we chose to use plywood because it can provide stiffer structure and not easy to crack when landing. And for the tail structure, foam board is chosen this time. The weight of the foam board is lighter and can be easily replaced. We also have reflections on the aircraft components. We increased the wing area to carry heavier payload. We updated connections to make sure they're more secure. And also, we bound the servo into the airfoil that the servo won't fall off easily, while the less glue and tape were used to reduce the weight of the aircraft. So, what makes our aircraft stand out? We provide much convenience for police to monitor the illegal parking in some areas that do not have sufficient CCTV, and also help the police in patrolling. Besides, our aircraft can be easily assembled or disassembled, so which is portable. Most importantly, our aircraft has functions that allows the police to tackle the illegal parking more precisely. Finally, here's the job allocation in our group. Every member has made a contribution to the project well, and these are some photos. We are Group 10. Thank you very much.